Emishango erukuza kuhurwa n'emishango 25 kandi omuri harimo emishango 12 yo kuhamba abaana obushuma hamwe n'endijo.
And bargain for sentences they think are fair. In some of the sessions in some of the camps that have happened in Mbarara, over 200 cases are settled in one camp in a week. That is delivery of justice, again with the involvement of people. And it is done faster, it is done cheaper, it is done fairly to satisfaction. It was talked about civil sessions. We are trying to start having civil sessions for the Court of Appeal up-country. Next month, we shall start with a session in Ebiro. In the next quarter, we consider coming to Mbarara in the civil session.
Okujuhurira kuona nikuza kwebemberwa Lady Justice Eva Ruswata, Justice Oscar Chika hamwe na Justice Dr. Asa Mugenyi.
They are still involved in the same activity, especially for trafficking in persons. We are hopeful that we are going to get rid of it.
I know that these have been promoted the 4 core principles of the NRM government. We are so proud of you, sir, and your team. I wish to report, sir, that there's a lot of infiltration in the profession of the lawyers. A lot of people have masqueraded and made situations worse for the public.
We are doing well in the area of plea bargaining, and I thank you all. My Lord, I can report that we have a functional RCC and they all afford us the support that we need.
Oteji yatandikira izoba kandi ija kwebero nabyo kwezi kwa mwenda bwa nyuma yo kuhurikiriza emishango ejiona.
All these are advocates of the High Court with vast experience and trust from their clients. And when you look at southwestern region, we have only one center where some of these inmates do attend Pancho Court from, and that is the Mbarara main prison. However, we are not well equipped with ICT-related gadgets, and in most cases you find Mbarara main prison struggling with a computer to make sure that the inmates are linked from here to the center where they're conducting the session from.
Lord, I read the report, I was a bit scared. A person handling 1,080 cases and more, will people be served? Those cases are very many. Is it the reason as to why actually we don't have offices around? I didn't get the picture very well, but I'm a bit scared. These cases are very many.
Amakoraga gashakwa Ali Waswa.